Have you written an email to someone and they never replied? Or have you missed your own name in an important email and forgot to answer? Here's how @mentions work in Outlook with Ant Text. Go to Ant panel and select a template. Write the recipient's name. Write your own text for the recipient. Write the sign and the name of the person you wish to include. The mentioned person will automatically be added to the To field. Let me show you how the notifications and filter looks like. You will get a notification if anyone mentions you in an email. Any email with mentions of you will have an sign. This is how it looks like when someone mentions you. You can also use the filter function to see the emails you're mentioned in. @mentions is a better way to get someone's attention. If you have any questions about @mentions, or anything else, don't hesitate to contact us.